Hey everybody, this is Bradley with Chant. We're going to be looking at DDRUM's Reflex kit that I'm going to be using on the KMFDM Chant tour this fall. Cool, so we're almost done unpackaging everything on the last box. And one of the things I noticed first is just the quality of the way it's packed, and immediately the amazing finish on these drums. The satin black finish with black hardware and the quality of the wood. These drums are 100% alder wood, and you can just see the amazing finish and the craftsmanship. All right, so let's get these put together. Can't wait to see how they sound. In the home stretch. Hey there, cool. So we've got all the drums built and set up. They tuned up with ease. We've got a little bit about the set. We've got a 14-inch snare, 12-inch rack tom that we've got set up. All the floor toms are 16s and a 22-inch kick. I've blended it in with the setup that we use for Chant, which has some custom drums here. Maybe we can get some Decabonds to replace these in the future. And of course all the metallic set. So we're gonna play it all together and give it a good test run here. Okay, here we go.